As tension simmers in Basirhat in West Bengal, left leaders and leaders from the Congress party stopped by the police as they tried to enter Basirhat, which is center of all activity, center of tension in West Bengal. There are visuals of the left leaders seen arguing with the police stopping them from entering Basirhat. And our colleague Ritik joins us on the phone line. Ritik, the left leaders trying to make an entry into Basirhat, along with the Congress party leaders as well. Congress party leaders also trying, but Mohammad Salim, the senior leader of the CPIM, blocked by the police, citing sensitive reasons. Talk to us more about the altercation, in fact, the argument that we see on our screens.
Well, exactly. The delegation led by Mohammad Salim, Member of Parliament, they started this morning from Barashat and they are on their way to Basirhat. Their plan was to travel across the all tension hit zone in Basirhat, Bhaduria, and whether it is Paikpara. But they were stopped just a while back, at least 30 kilometers away from the tension hit zone from Basirhat, somewhere in Ashoknagar in North Chhattisgarh district. They were stopped by police. Police first chased their car and the car convoy, and they stopped them at least 30 kilometers away from Basirhat. They are taking. There was a war of words between left leaders and cops. They were trying to convince them, the cops were trying to convince those leaders that if they go to those tension is on, it can input some fuel on the fire while it is the tension is simmering, tension is going on for the last couple of days. And the left leaders, mainly the Mohammad Salim, was not ready to buy the point. They were asking to why they were stopped while there is no 144. They were in Ashoknagar, at least 30 kilometers from Basirhat subdivision also. So there is a difference between cops and left leaders. But now they are planning to try once again. They are trying for a second attempt to reach at least to Basirhat subdivision. What we are getting from the police sources, police already have arranged several police barricades on every road leading towards Basirhat. Second barricade that police have made to prevent these allegations, these left delegations or any other opposition's delegation. There are three plans of oppositions that are left delegation is going there. They were stopped. And BJP is also trying to going there, and of course, Congress apparently have some plans to visit those tension zone also. So they are preventing them anyhow. So this is the first left leader who tried to penetrate those, tried to go there, but they were stopped sometime back. But what we're getting that now the BJP leaders led by Rupa Ganguly and other MPs like George Baker and other top leaders, we believe that at least 8 top BJP state leaders are on that delegation. They are on their way to Basirhat, but we believe that police put up their personnel. They have deployed a huge police personnel in Shashan area. At least 20 kilometers away from Basirhat subdivision. They will be stopped. They will have to face the first barricade, the first obstacle there. So they are also planning. They are also to escape. So they are. It's a rat race between. We saw a rat race between cops and left leaders while they were traveling with their cars, and police chased them. And
আমাদের উত্তর চব্বিশ পরগনা জেলার বাম নেতারা আছেন, আর সঙ্গে সুজন আমি আছি। গত কয়েকদিন ধরে পরিস্থিতি আরো ঘোরালো হয়েছে। সরকারের যে দায়িত্ব ছিল, দায় ছিল, সেটা পালন করতে পারেনি। মানুষ আক্রান্ত, দাঙ্গা পীড়িত এলাকায় আমাদের যারা মানুষজন আছেন, যা শক্তি আছে তারা, এবং যারা ধর্মনিরপেক্ষ মানুষ আছেন, যারা এত এই পাগলামির সময় যাদের মাথা পাগল হয় না, তারা চেষ্টা করছেন যেভাবে মিলেমিশে থেকে এসেছেন দীর্ঘদিন সেভাবে থাকেন। আমাদের আজকে যা হচ্ছে সেই অংশটাকে যারা ধর্মের নামে বিভাজিত না হয়ে এবং এরকম উন্মাদনার শিকার না হয়ে এখনও মানুষের মতো বাঁচার চেষ্টা করছেন এবং প্রতিবেশীকে সাহায্য করছেন, সেই শক্তিটা যাতে শক্তিশালী হয়, পুলিশ প্রশাসন যাতে বাধ্য হয়, রাজ্য সরকার যাতে বাধ্য হয়, যাতে আর ঝামেলা না বাড়ে এবং দাঙ্গাবাজদের আটকানো যায়, সাধারণ মানুষের নিরাপত্তা ব্যবস্থা করা যায় এবং যারা ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত তাদের পুনর্বাসনের ব্যবস্থা করা যায়।